Ready to buzz.
Good morning, team. All right, it's the day after the hurricane. It actually made Cat 1, right? It finally, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it made Cat 1.
Cat 1. Barely.
So, me and Miguel are gonna drive around. We do know we have some damage to the Cabanas. Everything else looks to be okay. I'm sure the park's a mess. I have not taken a walk around the park yet, so this will be us. Pavilion looks okay. Yeah, stanchions got pushed over. That ain't no thing. A little bit of mess. Yeah, a little bit of mess on the concrete. Nothing too crazy, too bad. Let's go. Yeah, let's go to the islands. I would say, from what I'm hearing, the winds were, whoa, wow. Winds were about 30, 40 miles an hour during the week, or during that day. Music already? River doesn't look too bad at all. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Damn. Wow, the pole came out. I wonder if yeah. I think if it wouldn't have done that, I don't think it would have been too bad on this one.
It would have been all right.
Yeah, damn. I pulled it apart pretty good. There's one damaged over there too. But yeah, that one's been pretty damaged. I tore the fabric there. Wow. All right. This one doesn't look terrible. I might be able to salvage this one. We just got to fix it a little bit. You can see that this one's already been damaged. It was already damaged. We had to use some repairs on it already.
Look at the cloth through the poles.
Yeah.
Fabric. That's just old fabric.
It's just old fabric. This one's not terrible. This one, the fabric just needs to be reset. This was the one I was actually worried about. But it actually fared pretty well. Okay. Pull looks good. You can see it's a little lower than it usually is. We, like I said, for the rain, we were expecting the rain to be kind of high, so we drained a little bit. Lost the sign right there. There's a sign in the water. Nothing too terrible. Your bar stood well.
Oh yeah, everything held up well. Oh, we have a cabana.
Ooh, wow.
Furniture all stayed put.
The furniture stayed put. It's crazy. Just get those up traps and picks it all up. Yep. Okay. So it seems like the Cabanas were the ones that got the most damage out of everything. Oof. Let me see. 1, 2. So it's, yeah. Wow. It's got a little rainwater in there. Fantastic. That one got tore up really good. This is one of the ones somebody repaired it with PVC pipe.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, see?
Oh, PVC doesn't hold up.
Oh, look, there's a really good broken umbrella over there. See it?
Yep. Didn't see it before.
We're not expecting wind today, right?
No.
No.
That's it. We're done.
Yeah. A little moisture in here. Nice. It's impressive.
Yeah.
A little dirty here on the splash pad. Yeah, that one's really torn apart. Wow. Well, the fabric was getting old on these anyway, so although I hate that we lost it, I needed to get the fabric replaced on it anyway. Oh, wow. Yeah. I mean, all in all, gents and ladies, like, we fared pretty well. Like, it could have been way worse. Way worse. But for just to have some cabanas torn apart, it's not terrible. It could have been way worse. The towers look good. The tower canvases look good. Everything else is in good shape. These cabanas are very sensitive, so I'm not surprised. Not surprised at all. Let's look at the river on this side so you can see. Oh, come on, no more music. Stop the music. Ma. Yeah. Well, they look pretty good though, except for that one. All right, Kilo decided to bless us with his presence. So we got a few down already. Majority of the issues that we see is there's a bar. See if we can find one. Is this it? No. This one right here. So if you see this bar right here, it goes in the tops of the corners. I'll show you here in a second. And there's a Allen wrench set screw that puts them in place, but it looks like some of them might have came apart or loose, and we tightened them during installation. You see it slides into here, and then there's the Allen, there's a set screw right there. So for some reason, a lot of them backed out. I'm guessing over time they just loosened up. Maybe some Loctite for next time. All right, let's see. So these are kind of a pain in the butt. You gotta, there we go.
Oh, okay.
I got that one.
Check out this one. It took the whole class with it.
Oh wow. Yeah, the whole class came apart. Came out of the pole. So all of them are out now, right?
All of them are out.
So I'm gonna pull the pin, and if you these are by 2C, and these are just basically big umbrellas, and then yeah, we gotta get the bars under. Yep. Hello. I'm clear. All right. Well, that was fun. Actually, this is probably the easiest one so far, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm caught somewhere. Hold on. It's caught on my short. There we go. Yeah, there's a bottom bar too that needs to be. There you go. There you go. Ooh, that bar's bent to Nikes. All right. Whew. That was a lot of fun. This one's got some really bent bars, so it's, oh, stop.
Got it?
Yeah. This one is bent to hell. Ah, that's funny. Yeah, that one's. Oh, you okay?
No.
No.
No. I'm not too sensitive, I know.
All right. We gotta get the. The chairs didn't even move, but the umbrella, the cabanas tear apart. Interesting. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get it resurfaced this year.
I thought we were getting rid of this.
Oh, I might. I'm thinking about it. Oh, shh, can't tell nobody. Can't tell nobody. Shh.
Oh. Well, I didn't know we were on.
No. All good. All right. So, Yeah, this one's seen better days. Like I said, these yellow ones have been actually taking a beating. They're part of the original kit. Wow.
That damn center one's hold.
Yes.
The corners don't.
Wow. All right. Well, team, take this one down. Like I said, as far as the Cabanas go, that's just about it. That's our major damage. Whoa. Where are you going? You gotta be careful because the fabric might fly off. So, we didn't do too bad at all, gents. Could have been way worse. We're very thankful for what little damage we did incur. 7 Cabanas, but like I said, we're talking about replacing them anyway with the hard structure. So we could have been way worse. We did pretty good. What do you say, Kilo? Did pretty good?
Yeah. It means we can put it with something better.
That's right. The only thing now, again, like I said, we just need to get the filters back up and running, all pumps running, get the pools back up to service level, and get everything back in true service. So we're looking good so far. Thank you for joining me on this one. I appreciate all the concerns and the prayers for us, and obviously worked. We did pretty good over here. To anybody that may have not done too well during this storm, I'm praying for you. Hope you recover well and easily and quickly. Catch you on the next one. Thank you, team. Take care.